Hey, how's everyone doing today? So I just wanted to share something with you. It's important maintenance to always check the air filters on your car. Either it's the engine air filter or the cabin filter. But I want to show you how to change it on the 2022 or newer Acura MDX. It's not as straightforward as all the other ones that I've worked on. Most of them you have clips that you just unclip. But this one's a little different. I don't know why they designed it this way, but it's under this shroud here. Because at first I was having a hard time locating it. So if you're not sure where it is, it's under this thing. And you have to remove 3 screws to get to it. So you can either use a Phillips or just a simple socket. It'd be so much easier if they put those clips in, those tension clips, to check it. But as long as you have a screwdriver, you can do it. But what you do here when you have this removed, let me show you. Okay, you pull up and then out, and it slides towards you. And then you're going to see the filter sandwiched in there. Like I said, I thought it had clips, so I had a hard time finding where the air filter even was, even knowing where the intake was. So once you have this off, it's straightforward. You check it. This isn't too bad at all. This is about 12,000 miles. You can see it's dirty, and they're cheap. You can just go ahead and replace those. It's one of the best things you can do is have a clean air filter, because it does really impact the fuel economy if you have a clogged filter and it's having a hard time getting air in. And the good thing to do, I'd go ahead and clean all this too while you have this out. So I went ahead and took a damp cloth and wiped it all out, because you saw some debris in there. You don't want that passing through somehow and getting in the engine. It's good to clean it up. And what you should do, which I need to do on this car, you see how dirty it is, it's all dusty, is wipe that. It's always good to keep a clean engine compartment, because then if you have leaks or anything like that, you can actually tell where it's coming from. And this is the socket I used right here. But like I said, you can use a Phillips screwdriver. Works the same. So depending on what you have available. But again, I just wanted to share that with you guys, because like I said, I didn't even know where it was when I was looking for it. I expected to see some clips that you can just easily undo and then check the filter. I didn't know you needed a screwdriver or a socket to actually check it. So just FYI, if you're wanting to check it and you don't have any tools on you, you're not going to be able to. So I wish that Acura did a little bit, made it more user-friendly, that you could just do it like all the Hondas that I've ever owned. You didn't need a screwdriver to check the air filter. So again, just want to let you guys know that if you haven't checked it yet, or if you just bought it and you do the maintenance yourself, you know, it's good to know. Like I said, I had some trouble trying to figure out where it was when I was just checking it. So just wanted to give you guys some tips if you didn't already know that. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. I appreciate it as always. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.